Olia, I don't understand where I come from. So now woman at my the thing pay me and I so one you are correct with or 10 where you be to me. So what in that bolufawa. Now make I address this what they call it because I'll tell you one day. I was saying that challenge or I get when they say or what bonye him or win your ebo. And now when you down a bony diamond, didn't team was on that before my bay. I want to test what it belongs as in. This is why you are going to camera. What where only out here. You know real bony, a body with any. You want to have diamond. Now again no big base. You understand? You know the 7 days in way. Can akba 7 days anyway. Do a game if nothing happen on your fin a hooking. You not damn a baby. Damn a baby, not damn a baby. Now you know what they say. You be small picking. So only na bulufawa a boy now cook back again or yakba or where a having there is no problem. No matter we know, but they have limitations. Only my hand. Now, where we have a working, I suspended a no gyoge whatever they call themselves. And I suspended a oni or you are you weku or you work by the area this blind batimos no yet be brokos or you tell the nonsense megani. That is the reason why the boy to feel with you. I don't know do okaro or you want Latian or do I tell you rubbish with social media. No when you brokos whatever. I might see about now small comment mana mama boy you understand? So both of them they are the same. I say now as in those recording just now. No ya gear because you post a picture of Ozuana no win but or gear with the same or gear. You see a because of post on many things no or gear yo him with some him with some for people. And some for people will say there those but the man is winning here because you have a bambana with this one, but it's okay, no problem. You go away now. No now the gear. Yeah, no we whatever. Or here you have it on your way a kingdom in a kingdom of here before, but no. Or we give me a kingdom. Or in a blue for as you go Obakba. Or on Tima video on okay those centrary. You know understand? Honorary. That guy every time cook back or ya fuck that some months ago, a guy in a suma kube, ona ya mwe gara no tie gbe ogiamie. Ona mwe me na no zuona, ona mwe yana rezunko with many other people here to recognize one. Ona via kube. He was even saying that he had a rimana be adege the louder of Hussein, but amami now maybe it's just a fallacy. Oh no ya gaga. I don't know if it's true because if you need degi so this same whatever he calls himself Olia, the guy was on that video on Aruwewa. What were they saying? They are looking for an alliance to counter the palace. Near Arobiagua, near as a team up here. Or see a yamo so when you as no you a baba or zegena. The title I can bear today do he has agadabu. Na baba give us. You know understand? So you already ma that bonen ya fe can ya give baba. Anybody going against my God King, you will have something to contend with me. It is very simple. The best thing I don't go to your platforms, avoid me. It always say, oh, your bike be simple. So I'll tell me when you come away. Anybody, no hit away guy here, so that guy only whatever he calls himself, if I ball like rugby. I want to test your juju. I want to see how dogged you are spiritually. If you can't do anything in 7 days, I will not say you be as if you rats or fair a walking. Okay? How about talk by he said?
My brother. A chief not only have to roll or where you Italy, anywhere where a chief, whether we belong to Adurori, young said they go about. No get. We're trying to wear Gualeni and Agualeni, wait here, chief. Where you know, a chief, near me, a chief not only Aduro was who I tell you, TV. Oh, the devil, Yama, where No, that what happened? No, yari aduro no to tell. Uwe, only awe yari aduro ah. Uwe
ya bia duro we bi bi ji egwu na ye megbe o ya bia.
Well, not away the ira bi you egwu na we had that thing ori.
O we e gba mi bia o ye na wa bi tali. E be ya bia. O we ye give me kia, we ki en gi wina.
Let me. Okay, we have somebody. I don't know if the person wants to ask a question or Jerry. I don't know if you have a question.
Epa we agwa, Pakiaru.
Okay, Pakiaru is domo. Yeah, what again? No, Pakiaru is domo, sir.
Okay, yeah, but when you get it, just a quick. You was a get it optimize or more high to prove where I will have do here. Yes, enogi. You understand? For me, you can wait because a bogger no get carried or how near party the way no get. Oh, okay, maybe anyway. Yeah, there is one thing that don't boom. Iyase ahia visite ni enoge we gwaria tin agbe ewe odegbe in agbe ye ure gwaria on the arrival of Iyase. So on ma kai de carry ma whenever e khai mo ba in asare nige min hairatin. So man, so I don't know what they want or I may near any one, but however, my mama come, my lily, money, road, Nigerian say, my road. So you can't come here and try to belittle me or try to brainwash me to something. Money, my and the Soviet just when you have the bitter. And near the bitter, but I don't know. Eh, one, why I always say about talk with.
He said, happiness. I want to tell something.
This Mr. Shoot, or them wanna see him shot. Yeah, we feature in here.
No, 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 one ya.
Okay, yeah, we train. How many after they get her?
Mama, if you allow Mudia allow because MC Short has been here. I don't know if you want to say something. MC Short, the floor is yours so that
Actually, ye mubo meme ni aita now. So nidi again no ave no yagwa.
okay, do you actually have a question because so that Maro take the Maro? Yeah.
Even me atita is that when we even atita a KROS ve izomo kakadu. Iya gwa kaene. So the same thing me atita we o have a ba ya fe.
Yeah.
As far as you are a heaven, we go. Iya diave enigi gele. Iya diave nigi ya. So I even ateri.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Mr. Jerry, because every other person here I know them, so I will say, do you have a question or do you have anything you want to contribute before so that we rotate?
Wayabo wawabota.
Domo.
Ni hate tawe wani bunwe social media. Iye wa agbon gbese ya wa agbera ya abere yan iye wa active ni ama he obere. So eni man ni ataba eni mi ate no ewe ni ewo ni ekere iye he wo ye kipa. Odi mewe ni mete ni di ye ni wo o he before ye kipa be wo ni.
The man of here, pa.
It's all well.
Nesi start ni e ba wo
Not a boy, only ya.
Because when I mean if you know gyoba obere before we quick pa we are hearing we kick pa when I mean if you know gyoba when who are even why am we yo why o se me na te no enye ne wa before you kick pa yo worry ni na do claim we ri ye na do even na no mi raya him here obege wa ni ana do de yegele o wa pakia obege o di me tayo
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to just quick summarize this whole thing if I'm correct. So that means the Enoge of Umogunokwa was suspended. Secondly, this self-acclaimed Olia was not even installed. That's why I use the word self-acclaimed. Parade himself as, so everybody should get that clear. So that is just the simple fact. There is no insult here. It is what. So, and once again, nobody should be insulting the whole Umogu people. No, this is not about them. This is about one particular person. And his gang, because obviously he's not working alone. So I think it's wrong for everybody, so for some people to be insulting the whole Umogu people and calling their names. No, I disagree with that. It's not them. It's just this person. This self-acclaimed Olia is the one. So if you have anything that you want to say, direct your anger to him, not to the old Umogu people. So that one I will not support. Except the people that are still supporting him. If you don't know history is something. That's why I put some people up here, because these are people that I trust. These are people I know that yes, if they say history is 100% the way it is. That is why I'm always careful the kind of people I follow on this social media. You understand? So I was much more interested, because when I saw a Pinoge in Chief Judge Enoge, he sorted that matter. I was like, Enoge is somebody that normally has respect for elders, mostly if you have a title, but the way he respond, like it was fast, and so people were like, no, he's a real chief. How will you? So I don't remember that. We remember this Olia. We had an account with him last year, so that's why I was even eager for him to come here to come and listen, so that next time if people are talking about a chief in Negeleno, so he will know the way to respond. So I'm grateful and I'm thankful that all of you are here to teach us. Power Olia in Ezra, like Pakiares now.
You before Omake Enoge or before Omake la chief or Ukeve Pala Ivna. Before me cake in Nigeria, I witnessed him. Before Ikekba, before Uke la chief or any other thing at all. Maybe I can lie, Igbama, Avenue, Uke cross. Ọmọ ní àti ìgbésí òbẹ́gẹ̀ ìgbésí ẹ̀wọ̀n àyàló yẹn rí yẹn promote náà promote àríwá yẹn ló yẹn yàwó ẹ̀ òwò yẹn àríwá yẹn yà hunt náà ìrírí gbésí múre ẹ̀hẹ́n yẹn ló àtẹ̀wé ní yẹn gbẹ̀ ẹ̀ dẹ́ àkèdó lẹ́fì yẹn làwọ̀ wẹ̀ ẹ̀mí àmì ẹ̀ní wa ni ẹ̀gùà yẹn ti yẹn gùà àdófin yẹn là gùà ìwà ni yẹn yà ẹ̀mí. Then you need to promote.
Yeah, go.
If I understand them, Tana can promote ya. A man in the Tana, dinner we in chief ye. When all they not to tell me a yard, we not big a.
What are you okay? Some of the people they talk.
Okay, by and because we may one day where we may would them make it would they or badan. We are badan making would they make it. We may one day. Era me no kwa o hiragbona o wune eri me no kwa iga mu eye palace iga mu eye Enoge ewe oba palace Enoge o ima ya mu eye wa so o me no do funu e don pa
yeah, like, can we just stick to so that when I know that it's very important what you are trying to say, so that Neman have a contribute when we so that we want to go far from because we have
don't first be full name.
Okay, don't first be so wait Vito Mama.
I brother now finishing the
Okay, Mama. True teller, welcome. Village anyway, area.
But a king married suspension, sha.
Yeah, suspension.
King married suspension.
Yo wa ni ya no ya uza ni ya wa suspension. Go back king.
I want here suspension. I want to comment section. Or where my uncle is about Okay, Mama, if you truth teller, you want to say something quickly so that
yes, I want to say something. So why am I Powadomo wa Wesley Pakiaron we do ya proof because again na rep platform do principal we no gire wani that's the rugged or try not bring a history ni ladia iyama e man na ma no gun a so e man na me na do e no say no man na o ni man ni again na ya ta we at history or no ta people now we when the pilot was ancestry so all do have animal veme you know
no truth teller Egwi, my sister, do you know the main reason why I actually decided to open it here? Because I was on my way. Because sorry, by all due respect, Elogosa was missing the history. He was missing it. It was not correct. That is why I had to summon all these my people say, why they maybe na me not get her like.
Yes, even though he was not getting the history, but he was not even allowing him to say the history. Emana me do beg the history or see na do okay. On see aki or say emana kwene ne logo sa say the history there. Decided the prince.
Exactly, it was not correct. Yes, Mr.
Yeah, even though the history was not correct, but he knew that even if Elosa had to even say the history correct or not correct, he knew that all the secrets that we just heard from the Mepa will be exposed.
But that is a problem. You see, this is not even a secret because Ezomo Kakadu has done a video. I think he has talked about his history. Edo Centric has talked about it. Even our brother, greatest Edo, if you go to his wall, you can see the video there. Even this my KRS, we have discussed about this Umogun last year. No, the problem is a lot of our people they know they listen to history. But then history now, history is important because without history, you don't feel defend such things. You understand? So that is why it's important. We see some of our historians, they wanna go there, wanna go listen, not take anything from you. Because tomorrow now somebody might pop up because you see this self-acclaimed Goli, everybody believe that people believe that he's really a chief. But the truth of the matter is he was never appointed. He's just a self-acclaimed one.
That particular one, I think this appointment was what he was actually running from. I said he didn't even allow the boy to speak. Yeah, he didn't want him to speak because he knew that if that guy speaks, correct or not correct, some secrets that we have heard now would have been revealed, which thank God that even Epa and all has revealed it to us. You understand? So while we're because we measured that history, he said this is the buena. So I have not not give me number 5 Viva. That's all.
Truth teller no ga.
Eten veniga waya wa bebe nege kai.
Double.
Wa mi okpa no sunu wa gbona. Manivie do etima so nivie do. Iya emanivie hieni ma. Erega se edoya bitanwe oma no we bonore wi yen to. Emiega we. Emi ya we. What am I trying to say is this? Ede ni viegwe kiave ya gbeli ani ni we edo e. Ni ga se iya we tuti viedo. Iya we tuti emano iviedo rize iya e. No e wadi mesevo emano na ni vie na vevo. Any pare degbia as a chief. Emanama ede any odwa pare degbia as a chief level. Oye ve no tayena ezomo kakadu egbezomo no. Enoge na egbezomo no. Ekpenede egbezomo no. Metobi meno remana egbo bakawaye mehi. You understand? So my pare degbima as a chief because that way ma oba mwegie na ma oba mwegie na oda mani we egieni obe consign ma obe si magbe. You understand? So na ma de we yeye enyo idu afu begie do endu aka we inya rie the chief of Benin. So nwala wo na kiyan boy ye social media nare. Ni aremi ye social media re. Wa we seteme.
Thank you very much. Sister Isa, I don't know you want to talk. I don't know if Mama Ivie talk first because she knows she be the
I won't say no, but now they go after now. Your day I never talk since.
Okay.
So because now we have about 400 something people watching. That history where a lot of us are tough for the beginning, that was wrong. Obawa cannot born any pikin when they call it do. That's wrong because many of you are learning from the wrong people. And I saw some of you say correct. He do not dare among the Obawa children. And Obawa did not have only 2 sons. He has many sons, not be 2 sons. Now one of his sons, I go for me what do they call this? Iseluku Wada. He had other sons. So the way that narration say he get 2 sons, he do an enemy as he called that. They can't say make he do oh yeah, that way the Edion come one play Ojoro, they no one give the first one. They come say, that was wrong. You don't talk people's history like that. And some of you there, when me I know, you were saying that it's correct. What's it correct for there? Why God, even when that woman came to correct a professor, a woman, correct a professor. I was ashamed when I saw some of you saying that it was correct.
Today. That's why
I for that complete platform now. This guy where I bought that they be name. That one they tell you, that one they talk say he correct. Because of your friends, you don't use friendship for your own history. As happiness gonna as happiness container, happiness gonna come to talk with you. I can say she correct because I'm my friend. Edo should always come first for us as Edo people. Edo should always come first. Don't defend somebody because that person is your friend. That is somebody by now way gonna send Chikitao give my on from you. And this one and the Sochi said the same thing. 100 per 100, the same thing. Yeah, the same thing. The same thing. Super Mario Ta. And this man was not on that live video. He was not there. I'm not told down in the same thing. He was not. What it's wasn't even on TikTok. But it's almost said exactly what Edocentric said. So we should stop that. We should stop turning our history. Legbe was not the son of Obayeweka. Olagogo. Abi why at your body by any time back arrest correct him. My sister,
you know last one finish me, but RS your then dad. They say it is not correct, my brother. You are wrong. You are mixing it up.
Oh wait, do they never can be doing.
Good afternoon.
Michael, do you Mama, if you're like one way or working loud, whether they agree. Michael, do you want to say something or do you want to have a question? Do you have a question?
I just want to say something about this particular person, that earlier guy.
Okay.
I think I don't know that guy before, to be honest, but there was a day I was on the platform, because he was bearing Shifole. I was even happy that, thank God, someone that is, I've heard that name in Benin. I know it's
that is not Chifolia of Benin Kingdom.
I know. That's what I'm trying to say. I was like, Shifolia is here. At least this name is a very big name in Benin. At least people talking about history. At least can talk more about this history. But from what I was hearing from him, he was like, all these people calling themselves Benin, ask them where they are from. Ask them where their Oba is from. I was like, is this person, is he a fake account? He was just saying so many things I couldn't take. I was like, shut up. I didn't really care who he was or where he was from. I was like, shut up. You are saying different thing entirely. What this man is asking you is different from what you are. I think then the thing was about this Gele Gele. I think it was what was this Kenneth Oba? What was his name? That was the platform. He was there. So we were talking about Gele Gele, how the job people got there. You understand? The next thing was like, these Benin people claiming Gele Gele. How's the way their Oba is from? The thing shocked me, to be honest. I was like,
sorry, who said that? Who said
the Shifolia.
Oh, he said they should ask the Benin people where their Oba is from.
Yes.
Yeah, you are down here. What do? So, when they talk,
so I was really shocked. Then I was thinking it was a fake account. Then he started speaking Benin. I was now more confused. Like, this. Then it was like I was not asking myself, this Benin me say me be Benin. They are more this thing deep. Now only myself, I know. Meaning there are some people that speak this Benin that are quite different from Benin. So he was saying so many things that very day. I was about insulting. Then Kenneth, what's his name? Yes, he dropped him. He said so many things that very day. Even today, he said something again that's even shocked me. He said they are not Benin. I mean, they are not Edo.
Thank you.
So I was now asking myself, if you are not Edo, what tribe are you? No one could ask him that question today. He was saying they are not Edo. If you are not Edo, you speak Edo language, you bear the title you said you are representing is an Edo title. So what tribe are you to be so that people you are trying to enlighten, they will understand where you are coming from. But nobody could ask him that question today. And to be honest, this history, I have not heard it before. I don't know anything about. And there's something I want to point out here. This guy that called himself Chief, he is number one person that is causing problem in Edo State. I will tell you. Do you know why? Look at this guy, this one-eyed guy, Brokos. Anytime he's insulting his own father, he will say, they said there's no two Oba in Edo. What about Oba Nugu? What about Oba Nugu? Every time kept saying that. What about Oba Nugu? Oba Nugu is Oba. Oba Nugu is Oba. Then I kept, whenever he said that to me, I don't even really know who was Oba Nugu. I was like, maybe it's from all those Edo North or something. So anytime he's saying that, it was recently, and I realized that this guy is always in a Brokos platform, and this same Brokos always propagates Oba Nugu, and this same person is from Oba Nugu. So if this thing is connecting, there's something that made the eyes that this guy has been the one pushing all these things with the Brokos. Then Brokos is not like a mouthpiece to push it out. Because he kept saying Oba Nugu. That's why. So this whole thing is to me now, it's just scattered. And this history, I never knew there was what they call them again. Oba Nugu. I think there was a small and the big one. I don't know.
Let's see, Malcolm. Monsieur Weladian. I me draw a leg. If you want to use that pattern of chief for me, that's your Weladian. Since day before yesterday, I gbe my deck be your now we all this so. And we'll continue to make awareness for this, to let the world know that he has not yet been installed as the Oliya. He's parading himself as an Oliya, but he has not been installed. And the head, which is the Enoge, before him, because I heard that they said that he's the number 2, he's suspended. So automatically, he is also a suspended semi-Oliya. Aduro boy that busy. Yeah, we both money agbe libe utote wo. We ma not to gbe na gbo we. What's the matter if you are be chief we? You are the first person in member won Libya la webo. We ma not tap magbo we if you are. What's the matter mass smart boys we Libya we I be chief for Benin I mean that's why I oh boy is that. Ah. We want buy a
Libya la webo Libya.
Libya la webo.
Chief don't Libya la webo. Wow. Chief don't what this hour no? Yeah man.
Okay. Libya la webo matter see.
See, you got more why you go.
Yeah.
We are done yo.
Oh, some better work am many go.
Ogi we say we bo ori aduro we ri yen wu so the way the kena molia nu we. Why the Molians when I was say a white and red white shoe?
Evanera vije wude.
The time
Moliane.
Yeah, the Molian way. Huh? I read the name so no we can umogun no worry. Here we are supporter where ori ne egere we imi. There you no egere. Abumari if you liberty gbewa ubi is as well here for 3 months. Okay, the lezel la webo. E boat nyate. A mega la boat. Over we can dig when New York akere no pastor in Libya. Oy na ne runia wuya ya me boya se webo. It was the man tell already we chief me here. Ni akeva he flat in Mola lately. He has been parading himself as an Oliya, and up till now he could not still come out publicly. More than 10-15 people have bear us witness that man is always inciting the Ogloba people throwing out our great kingdom, our palace. But here the attack one away. The prince ya you down yo. A boy and Malcolm away. This guy has always been around people who is against the palace. And he has also said it with his mouth, saying not be from Benin, Benin not the under anybody. So where you foresee Oliya, is Oliya not connected to Benin? Is Oliya not a Benin name? I want to apologize. I apologize.
We apologize. Saga ni saga we.
Wàhálà
Ariana ya
apology.
fi no dey.
Wàhálà apology wa.
Where my
I apologize to apologize to
Just
you.
give
how come
her.
me?
At
You
least
apologize.
not just
Eri
trying.
ayé
You will apologize. No, your bad. No,
See.
one like better.
No get no be chimela
Yes,
that
I
go
look what I mean.
apologize in
Hey.
Wọ́n
Orioba.
gbé gàá ní
Ije o.
mọ̀ ọ́n ẹ̀pọ̀ gbé
Ya wa livi.
gbé ní àwọn ẹni tó apologize
So
lẹ́nu
Yaya
lọ́nà
e
sí
wala wo. Don't be so gbele. Wala ho. Ogun e wa.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Chief Judge, to be honest, I was very happy that you knew everything, to be honest. And it's really.
I don't know. I think it's a Chief.
No, let me tell you something. You were very smart. That's what I'm
Yes.
trying to say. But Don Priest is not smart. He will be
No,
saying,
he was being very smart.
he will be asking, give me evidence. Give me evidence. Even you will see Mr. President, people will be telling you, Mr. President is, go and check now. Mr. President is even doing whatsoever he's doing. He will say, hey, give me evidence. I'm going to change your mind. How are you going to change your mind?
It be like saying no am. It be like Don Prince know the person like normal friend. Maybe that's why he no fit talk to am. Because me know Don Prince. But you know if it be my friend, maybe they bring down my Edo kingdom, may they laugh with you. You understand? Now that one me for can't change that for us. See? Because you say you be chief. At first, what are you doing in TikTok as a traditional chief? You're not supposed to be seen here. Even if say they want to bring you here, the people, real Edo people, that will bring you go that platform to educate the people when not even they understand the tradition.
No.
Let me say you they follow platform to platform, they go, they
If I
react.
don't, do you know when I was watching you, even when people were telling you that people were sending you messages that Umo Gunofa was suspended and he was still saying, hey, this if you were not still satisfied, your face.
I was not satisfied because
Yeah,
if another have information me are re-Edo indigens. So,
you were not satisfied. You were like,
71 people are
I will be
suspended.
back. I will be back. I will be back.
71.
Yes.
Okay, 71 people. How come it was 67 near Veladia? Where are the remaining 6 of them?
Okay, then this the time we not saying easy the better me if I know you not saying suspended. His name was actually not in the list. Then later I told them they
The first is near Amula Zen, near Mate Caviaro. I don't tell you, but the guy very useless person, very useless boy. Well, another way, another way, again, is your Baba when Morok by red bead, now anything. Yeah, useless TV. When I want like King and a top, but that video went viral. And I will come and what's doing again. When I do anything red beads a period now. This period now, is your banner. Everybody should be. You can wear any other color, but not red.
Not red.
Yeah, I wear rubbish in here. Yeah, I turn bomb when we are. And already can't dey by crew but because first you can't no gay. Amama
Tẹ́lẹ̀ yà fẹ́ wàyà bá fún ọ wà kó yọ.
Wa gumi me gwa
Yeah, Tori now. Just a seconds. Just a seconds. Or what about what you no give one man? No, they are the cake gualo. Wabe mudan ogion bani. Gele oh a boy ni. It's a small boy. A boy ni ogion bano. A boy ni oh je brokos uke.
Oh, another person again.
Okbe ni boy ni from Facebook and TikTok. Even Yasegbe no de. A boy ni is a bastard.
Very.
A boy ni oye brokos uke. A boy ni all time brokos ni no ta.
Oh,
So I do that you do a boy ni wage say mudan no ogion bano.
I say.
Very well. Okbe ni ke work. Imana ku egbe na izo obo.
Okay, did that. Wow.
wa wese. Osi me gbe ni adon so gbe. Me da la wa na ye me. Me se sa. O ye me gbe igi. When no here. Ma bere no se ni wan man like me. O se ge do ni si mi. Ma bere ma ya si mi o se ge do. Iyan dey calm. Ori me I'm a radical. O ma no si mi o se ge do. Me wa dey radical. Wa claim Iwa gia wo kwa be mu gbe ka gbo ala dia mu no me ke fi wo unfo. That's me. I'm very radical in doing it. Okay, fine. Let's go. A boy now. One thing I want to tell you, if you do no so no. Iya se ore do here. Ona so ade ba yo ba do afiu pe gi ogba no kwa. Agwa useless everyday because women oba no soba o salobwedo ya no give am haku. Do you understand what I'm saying? So ama we of you okapa no don't la luwe webo.
We had
Ya
to
mu egi wia.
we had to we yase nudo. Esama.
Whether
Esama
mu egi wia. No ya la luwe.
Okay. Imanya ye gbe sama ma o
Aye
yase.
gbe mo kala dia do gbe. Won ge ogime o wa lo de ya so if you ogwe na to ogwe na kaka gbe because a radical one make him way. Okay, let's go. Emi no kiwe e boy na wa mi na. Okpe no ke do e. Imagine Obijeme, imagine what don't prison. We want they careful because all your back don't prison for your gag by away video. Imagine not see a man or yaka.
Ikaga man na wele via la dugun.
Una when vient la dukun, but don't prison I will live video because ikake all your Bible qui fait na mo bok be o lava. Ya tia e pardon me chama. Oh, ti ogi oba chama. Aye wo we do yin. Me awa gbọ́ ni o ma wonu gbe but it say.
Ebrokoso pa ere mi ba pa.
Ebrokosi gbajo dede gbe o mejo me na di abi na dene. O gbajo wa ni o. Brokosi ke send the request ye ka mo go dukun ne. O mute agbe ya ni brokosi aro. O na ifia fo. Boy na. Ma be ni happiness catch aba. O we na ero we mu ivi mo gu okwa ya. Mo gen iwe. Last year, he believe more will not wire. When last year, when this idiot near to a victory, no me a victory with that boy. When he came out, he started supporting because he got arrow. More good the guy, honor ya view boy because he arrow. The guy, yeah do. Then I'm your baby man, I'm your baby now. I am your baby do. So if you would not wanna de by happiness, ya you da meje. You na de by or say na mwe bog be here because a radical one or making. You understand me? I want to see you say me radical be. O give me o me no ya wa your boy wa fi an for. So that was the reason I insulted all the women who know because they were all in support of that stupid small boy. Never care. You understand? Okay, let's go. Udo eikere if you do enusum. Obi do ehi. Era menaga obi chief agwa nudo. Udo maya story do. Ezomo kakadu ka bete story do ne. Greatest edo here ya tell the story ne. A story no karwa. Arwa kekebe oba ozolo abi doba no si akin ba ejebe o du ngwa correct me ba. Obi ma oba asige obi ra ya ga akin. Emi so yegbe kagbe okona do aro between uda arwa again you understand uda arwa udo yen ga aye where osi yegbe uda no ma be guani ni wa cut the long story short but na guana ya no wa be ba me bi je me daddy KROS ezomo kakadu ya no wa in history gwa mi ekene udo mani bi udo ra ya se nu do tawe kingdom udo here is udo a kingdom. No, Udo is not a kingdom. And they can iya se nu dona gwa. Nenu gwe no gena gwa la. Ami street na mi do na mi udo. Olia ami ya se nu do ami ya but they are under our God.
Happiness Marie na mi say if me na gwa.
They are under our God on earth, our God King. Before he just say, okay, when anything will do, on the many way, all back the later one, or yera but he just said, okay, when he will do, almost to Kayabwe riding, or Yadigwe.
Of course, now,
so how come?
We
understand? How come? Umo will not one other day when I abolish Umo Huni, a kingdom. Then in abolish in it, but may be era no be a go idiot now. All the larger way kingdom, I wear a mere barrier, do ya me obama or bear. When the Yasenudo is a subject of the great God of Edo kingdom. Do you understand? Meti Obane, the Obane Bini. There's nothing like Oba of Bini. Obane Dono. You understand? Then some idiot will come in out and say, hey, I am a kingdom. Because our history, history, the history of near of your back bow, no carbon you say. history of Udo Mobono. But have you seen the Udo yourself, Udo parading Udo as a kingdom? So why all this? Because he went when not here. I have boy you can mama say I go about attack me. My people, I will tell you the fact. I told what they idiot now. We are a Roman. I want you to know. That idiot ni ati a victory. Economic baby because of my no kefi pe jegwa.
Was the picture in my
My no kefi pe jegwa. Economic baby. Wa hian ti egbo ma baby ni egbe ebo eni. Orioba and a man Iguoba attack me. These are the people of Guoba attack me. So I cannot understand some of my adult people supporting that kind of idiot. Or Tendo, I go about attack me. I go about Simioto. I go about me. Then you will come at then the presidents who are sorry and not get out of my brother. Yeah, also okay. Edo Prince. Okay, yo. Edo Prince. One small boy like platform of water where yeah do la wo here come your de cannot ye or take boja. That's to tell you that boy Ogwaba attack me is that impersonator. Then we have to deal with him. If from here though, how can that kind of person come to your platform and say don't man or a dog woman or don't take them and let them know who must say drop it no more where yeah do
my
brother, why go to prison? Why you when because we want so egbe? Why you here when the boy needs to walk? My brother, sorry. Sorry.
Now, imagine ya said to you can't be going why you don't prison now.
25 to life in the move with it where they're running. 25 to life in you don't read your banner. And then they go any ya feel pegedo.
I 25 to Laffy.
My brother, you go give that boy medicine. You might know you got no, I don't know.
I 25 to Laffy. Now,
Mr. President,
oh, a boy ni.
Only 25 to buy.
Well, my me got time na where you boy now your battle where is the no no.
You have your gag, but why they careful? You might not do your
actually brought somebody up, Mirabe, or we any Olia that is they are related. So Mirabe, the floor is yours. So Mirabe, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so the floor is yours. I don't know if you want to ask a question or you have something to say.
Okay, because Afromo Unokwa, we near each other and I still relate to the boy.
Okay.
Like, we don't have king in that place. We always have a logie. A logie in that place.
Boy, you move Unokwa. What done you?
We have a logie. The logie mean that if anything happen to our village, it can solve the problem. That is what we call a logie for our village. And number two, anytime they have something to do, they can call the boy to assist them.
Oh,
they can call the boy to assist them. All those kind of.
Mirabe, sorry, don't be offended. You said they can call him. This is the question now. Has he been installed as an Olia in that place?
Olia, no, it's not Olia. They are installed it as how to say, like
what your boy or not because of boy. That's
it's an Ovienogi.
Because since yesterday somebody is telling me when I married me with born there whoever say you say now yes it's you say every other thing can wait.
When you know see here man rock pẹ̀lú we ke simi o sege me we wa simi o sege na we modo we we by the line. Here man rock pẹ̀lú di ma bu ke we.
Then Mirabe, please continue. You said they always calling to assist. Like let me say he's an ambassador to your Umogu.
Like ambassador to assist. If they have anything can assist. It's only that you don't have any option to the logo for our village.
Oh wow! Okay.
That means to say he doesn't have any chieftaincy title in Umogu.
I don't understand.
KROS we makatasi.
Since okay, one day we do go.
And assistant, no be a loge, na assistance na e be to a loge.
Okay, so you better now wetin we go really need to petition her for. Make not dey dress like chief again because it's easy to deceive
please,
people.
if you know you are from there, you say happy love. Say wetin you know. Happy love, send your request. If you know you are from there, send your request. We are here. We are learning. We are not quarreling, right? So if you know you are from that place, just send your request. No insult. Everybody there to learn. Okay, I think we have some people. Merabe, thank you very much for the clarification. Let me drop a Pajeri. I'll bring you. God bless you. I will get back to you. Let's bring some people up. I don't know. Prince Billion, do you want to contribute or do you have anything to say?
I need to contribute, my sister. Thank you for the host. Thank you for bringing me up.
Okay, Sister Isabel, they bring people. Sorry. Okay, continue, sir. The floor is yours.
What made me come up, and because of this guy, Don Priest, that made me come up. You understand? So, because I know Don Priest well for house. Don Priest now give go picking from Eweka from Upper. You understand me? So, because one thing about life,
not be Ogigo picking now, Gbogbo picking, Gbogbo, not be Ogigo. Ogigo dey Naija College side. So now my head be that. So I know everybody for there. So
because okay, Don Priest ni ma be go ma edo ye ya we paribo we una be go man o ma tie bonera no man o ta ke gbo manu bi we bi no sunu master okay Don Priest na Don Priest is fond of doing that kind of thing. Maybe me from Don Priest on a contract in Yamu Bodo master because he's kind of doing that kind of art. It doesn't make sense doing that kind of art. Somebody will come to your platform, insulting the palace. You have to bring that person down or insult that person first. Tell that person that you don't have the right to because obviously Don Priest master now. Obviously Don Priest working. Don Priest is not supposed to give that boy time for that boy to be saying nonsense in his platform. And number two, and Don Priest, the topic that is the talk that Don Priest give out to the world, make Don Priest to look small in the eyes of Edo people. Master, because someone around women say, because a Don Priest, if you know una, he one would beg buto. Okay, where there may I say, I always advise and women me and my younger brother get issue. The way Don Priest stay out for that matter, I look and say, my brother who woman of go directly. When we on go with platform or they different if on go au top. On to defend a community or where to defend the warrior. You understand? Because Don Priest just bring Benin down low upon all the everybody knowing as a Benin man, as we say, and his father is a chief in Eweka, which I know Don Priest well. Don Priest is not supposed to give that Ishan guy to just give that Ishan Enoge. Enoge is Enoge of community, and Enoge Igwe Riyokoriomo, different community Enoge Riyokoriomo. Even I'm Enoge, I see atawe Oba Nore Oba Nedo, Ayaya Gie Enoge Nore Otesan.
My brother, I understand your point, but just let's leave all those and
we want to divert now.
Exactly, just go to the let's stay on this one.
We are interested in Umogunokwa and that only boy finish. What you are interested in that only boy?
Noge, why you jemeri magbe chief so no way chief yan wa pare de gbe ase chief vegani. Iku se lo ya kebe. Ai magbeli ala wa.
Magbeli ala wa.
Amagu Ubogu daba
We are here for only Ubogunogwa.
This is not Vicky.
We are here for only Ubogunogwa. And every of our contributions should be based on that boy, that particular boy that classifies.
Yeah, no, my Prince Billion, thank you for your contribution. About Don Prince, so I don't no, but like we are not insulting him. So anybody that has an advice for him, I want to talk to him, can just call him.
Yeah, yes, advice. While I'll write
yes, so okay, I need to be up, success baby. Okay, Vicky, do you want to say something? Vicky, are you there? Vicky, you send request. I don't think the person is yes. Please, success baby. Let me see. Okay, success baby 21. First of all, if you are coming up, FYP, it's been a while. Oh, how are you there now? If you are up, please no insult. These are mature people, mature conversation. No insult. Drop your contribution and success baby. Are you there? I think it's your network.
Yes, ma. I wanted to say something. I'm the girl that last week was talking to Epa. Good afternoon to everybody that is here. Please, there is a video roaming around. I want the video to be cleaned. I already reached out to.
Success.
Yes, please.
That's not what we are discussing here.
Okay,
Wait, that woman, make you feel calm down later.
We will
Not
talk
that
about that one later. It's not even me that posted it. It is blogger. And I don't have access to their number.
Ezomo Kakadu. I know say this woman will not Wamakta Enoge. It cost quite for me and Ezomo Kakadu last year. You know what happened? As Ezomo Kakadu dey platform, he just dey talk history. The reason why he insulted all the woman will not call people. Ezomo Kakadu was there on our history. We be all happy there. Ezomo Kakadu on our history. Mayana give ani mana we are loving it. What's no be jeme and not saying that no kwaya. If they sent request, you know what BCJ a platform of Ezomo Kakadu. Not that they were even saying anything not that reasonable. What they were saying, Okpa on mute. Come my brother, who say, then I'm your brother dog. Ezomo Kakadu is a very calm person. Then I am muted. So Ezomo Kakadu was like, calm down. My brother, I'll get radical one me wow. Who were what they calm. Mema calm me walking me or say don't mess me. Uma understand even. Asaka don't so you about me walking. Uma understand even. Imagu wa ya agmaya asaka don't so you about but me in a very radical way. So Ezomo Kakadu dropped me. Because when you are more then I on my video in a way Ezomo Kakadu. Normally, you don't Omakeke because he's calm.
Yes.
Otimano, we know him. Omakeke, so Ezomo Kakadu was trying, even a boy in here, nonsense, split nonsense. Ezomo Kakadu was not trying to calm him down to explain to him. Explain to where mufua. Because they bali mene and there were about 5 of them. The whole thing they were splitting out of their mouth. Who understand? The same thing. This idiot you. Not that we are doing webo. This idiot boy. Do you understand? The same thing. Oh, the same way. He will never go to Oye Dono Simio. Say that a platform here. A platform making an more good beer, more good beer, or ya thumbs up. Is the one that brought out this affairs with that blind boy. He brought him out to come and be laying curse and insulting his generation. Do you understand? So I just want to let you guys know. This matter of Umo Gunokwa last year caused quarrel between me and Ezomo Kakadu. When you be about me, he dropped me. I was like, no, I want my live video. I said, no, drop that boy. Drop all the Umo Gunokwa people because my way were my contact. No, everybody knew it. Now everybody was there. Happiness, we were there. Izzy was there. Ekmenede was there. Of course.
Anywhere we hot.
That was what happened. Because Ezomo Kakadu was trying to calm that idiot, the idiots down. In a way, on a ya come down. Nedera di kagbe, wa filena kwa. Umo gugbe mwetore. How can you come and say where or ye do tagwe a kingdom me? I be a kingdom me.
Okay.
All total Bible yaje igwe ya fefefe all total bad do ya fefefe all total baye. So I know why you want to say.
Thank you very much. Before
now anybody not here but very comment section my sister. No, when I drop here, I know like if you not mute.
Nobody they insult you. Nobody they insult you. No, nobody.
No, the insult. You don't
I don't mute one. That's why say your berema.
Okay. I'm not going to say I'm sorry. No,
Our Nieko Kamia, even patience. Then if you wire balegbe. If I see nonsense comment, I'll just block your papa. He go mute someone. If you want to commit nonsense, now you leave this place. I go block you. He go mute.
I'll give her ice
Okay,
cream.
thank you very much. Epa Izomo, you want to say something before we give the floor to MD and the rest?
Okay, well, say madam. Okawo, yemege ife nivi. After a very long time, no carry nona ke egenimnani yasunu maewe mamobogmo maewe miegbewe niana. Etemahi. Akmomusa we amiegbewe na wa italadi. Sukma we arada egbe. Ara egbe se abia eminata we get to understand each other. Nogile sunu vedero. My dear sister, mama nagiti your bane. God forbid. Every time ni rewa ni eme senya enya. Ni metie etene. Ni metie etene ni magba siriok ba for a very long time. My dear sister, easy have a pakaro severe happiness. They didn't know what I'm talking about. People I called my brothers and sisters. Ime ye blocking. We have a block list of women. Ya wage oye no wa mungo bokpa wa mungo bonokpa ni magbina you are gone. I will not tower once I have evidence. Ordinary agony ogedere my sister a many ga agun actually my mi no ga onota then something we should understand is there are people who are ignorant. Emaro not dey ignorant in your mind. Edo anyone bedo ya we agbo ma ba
Block wa nínú ìsọtẹ zọmọ kakadu me comment section wa block ẹ.
we to wa ma blocking ya. Ene na me iguyane owe ebo ebe gbe mi egbe gbo ma ye mi na ma imami ne okonira atabedero. So I wanted to be sure if he was ignorant or not, or we must only dey ignorant, or we must only dey delusional. Emani dey ignorant, emani ni oni we can always teach them. Oye veve ni ma very platform na so ema so awari emeni mata ogba marigba o yen wari yen wa ya talo yen we ni egbo magari be mi an betamia wa emenutana eri oye. Those people are ignorant. Yen wa pick information from wherever they see without verifying them. Then ave so we raw ni wa de delusional. Yen emata ni raw. Kate bibi ave eso ni masuki na ni magwakana iya emata noro. But they just want their assumption to be true and they want to push it to you to be true. They want to believe that it is true. Ogo biani vedero my dear sister oze ima menoga ata ege nodo ya aswe ni ubu ya zege immediately na we afa aragwan kan not here ina zege I drop so mena it wa him you we na aye like ibalegbe we o awe na wari opia agege baba na wa vimi na laja we me hakati so ma mi ya edo ni nwa ya we of enwa ayagbofen norache so ugmen so teme kere abia ye ko keke bita or wa be say make we spoil everywhere meanwhile mute
a lot of people this black app
I go block you now.
Most of them don't know Ezomo. All of them wait so get pepper body na don't get.
Ezomo we no sunu be there obi jeme. Baba. We no sunu. Mama enu ta na I wan like royal so lo bo no eni ka no to no fun agbo mi no ya si mi o se get do. E dey body we maga mi no ga ta ogi ogwe ebe na mi oba we do. E ba ni me nwa na there for coaching. And we ma ho when we let's list we dey that list we ba no ta na. Oh, ya mu me na so amogun the boy.
Okay.
Also no.
Okay, mama.
Thank you very much. We understand. Ezomo Kakadu, I want to tell you something. I'm sorry for that day. And I want to also tell you this, Baba no wayena, you are very calm person.
MC Short, please, I will bring you back immediately.
Ekpenede is a very calm person. He do people who are calm. He only make it. He buy Oviedo is the most calmest Oviedo.
Mama, that will not come.
He do people calm.
Umai do people also.
Then greatest Edo centric he make calm.
Easy calm.
But easy calm in a way. Or maybe easy agwa say we na me wo again na maka. When he meje eradical me wa kibu we me de only meje ohun. That's me. Even when happiness we make calm ugbeso. O say ugbeso mi awa go do you do don't tell me that.
I'm very calm. I'm very calm.
Yeah,
Yes.
why go baby on it? So Ezomo Kakadu, you didn't understand me on that day. Sorry. Epa dame on now baba. Epa dame on. Ezomo
No, the
Kakadu, I'm
general. Wait,
sorry.
hold on.
My baby no time, but una woman even a boy ni gata. Even ni me ho. You understand? Ya amu ebo gbe boy ni. But I saw it now, and I'm seeing it where you didn't hear him. You understand? As in, you didn't hear what he was saying, what he was splitting out of his mouth. There's no sense, no at all. Because nani, what I say, on a kawa praise when you have a review, near kado praise when I host. Near making a chance yate, no sense in yata. Then look at Barret, though. Every man, ever babu go. Abba no go. Abba no gogima. The echo of media. Abba do the na we ye, and nanny bust in a brain. And you know, yeah. My brother, I'm sorry for that.
Okay,
Day. More
Mama.
agree.
Thank you very much, Mama.
May I quick talk my word? They work.
Okay, MD, continue.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good to long
Because I
time.
know this person. I know this person.
I know too much they come social media again. I know they get time for.
Okay, I understand, my brother. Right on.
Good evening. Now, in Noyami Ladohun, what make me come up now? But I know you there.
If I know get there, you dey listen.
Okay. Now, many people they come here since they come they talk about how they think they see that guy for different platform. You understand? You go come be like say with the life for his head. You understand? You see, I did through TikTok one day when I see that will be that alaluwe not tegbe Olia Nuguni. Now, or you know a nonsense no bune before okay so I record there. Let me just play this so that make it their record say now a truth say that idiot where they call his self Olia Fugu say they go different people platform go they talk nonsense. You understand?
Ma put you for up, okay.
All right. Let me put on my camera. Good.
I agree to my brother. I know who they talk.
Good afternoon.
Brother, I know who they talk. Kobaba.
Power tap, guys. Power tap, everybody. Please put your hands. Let's get to 100k likes. Please, voila. Okay, let me just play it like this. Now, let me judge my hero.
Title that book. Make una dey ask them waiting the reason why they say make they don't see that book for Benin today. Because all the old contest with the fight for all those things, or where all of them they talk, so they say make them because all that book carry different villages, other villages migrated. You understand? So now they are trying to use their own to say maybe say now they hold the authority, nobody. As I was that time, because as they already tell people say I spent up to 38 years in this program. Because I'm a young guy when they cram in this title. I understand so many things in the traditional system. Then me myself, I will travel from my village that time to Oba Palace. Do something without West.
The kingship you people are still maintaining. You are still maintaining that kingship.
That is why this time I still follow them drive. Those new guys social media. I still remain as an only I don't come to Oba in that area now.
But when I see una Oba, una see the maintainer.
Yes, we get
it. Bro, send me this video. I did work. Video. Later you send that for me because he say he don't crown two Oba for Ugu. Go come tell us when guy use the man talk nonsense for that platform, for that broadcast platform, eh? That is a guy now a way, a way. Baba, we say no school record the la send the government.
Thank you.
Baba. Exactly. Okay, we next week we
The general,
Teddy.
the general say be want Chief Enoge something. The general, are you there? The general, are you there?
Yeah, Wakoyo.
Okay.
First of all, Tenege EC. Egbenu mana on a platform na no more fosa or yo when a general man. Fosa no be a po. No be a po.
Okay, first Alpha, agree to
Kakasa.
you, Baba Domo.
Et Tonafa, he wa. Okay, no
Epa
one
ebugbe
here.
logo gbe tere.
Kakasa.
Ebugbe logo gbe.
Okay.
Ele wa logo. Ode wa ya hate me we. Usimi osege dobo be we ya we mi gbe so. Ebugbe eju mo dia. Eju mo dia. Eju mo dia me de wo kun mu gbe me. E general la gbogbo ekedi je ila. Eso gwe tu agbegbe e do die we. Iwo we. Ebugbe ya gun o me me de tu gwe nwan yo ba. Ba ti ogwe na egi ma do band we TikTok na. Ogwo ado tu agbe. Who are
God,
looking
you correct me. I want to know you.
say
Your
your
camera, not see your face. My age, where? One is
to the two. If you want to rob your better go me yaga abuko de for no reason. Nonsense. Why
Edo first, do you have something to say? So like, please no, like I said, I will not there for kind of insult or if you just talk and you're not dropping. So you see, moderators are active; they don't have time. So Edo first, continue, please. Edo first, are you there?
Okay. So, I mean, request is instead when I bring me up, bring someone else up. That's why I just decided to stay on the comment section for a long time. So I don't really have much to say because, first of all, these issues is not something we should be take just only on social media. There are actions supposed to be taken on this issue because is it possible for any Edo or any of us can write a petition against people for that wherever they have their practices should be cancelled, whatever will go or whatever. If they are a palace should be destroyed. Now go about it. I think that should be the solution because these people it's more like they are consuming more nuisance. So I want to respond to him.
You can actually petition him here in Italy, in Rome.
Even outside of here, he been in Edo ni na
Zemba bijele. Ewo, enoki asunu. Mana me mana. Abe buemo kwa. So that anyone yeah, here pe.
Wamujane, Edo first guy. Inyana egbe no kinya. You need to understand something. A list already nigi na suspend. Usunyani this no giogumo no kwana deba. So as suspending they are not acting. So egbe no kinya or inya do less social media do anya with social media. So you cannot hold their phone when you have a platform or you TikTok here. But if they are not active in Edo, as far as Edo is concerned, they are useless. So if they not Kenya, and do I make alliance with Ogyoba? So this is what is wrong with them now. So I get here there phone you when as neck TikTok. You understand? So when you have social media, but we are only telling our people where I mean now where I call they are going to mislead you. That is just what we are out for. Thank you.
Okay. Is it also possible that Kevoni Arikere Kiki Amuriaje who can repetition when Yamuya Buru? You should go viral as everybody should know this. As an adult person, you should not go close to them. Yes. Because the people will be aware that okay, these people you're not supposed to go close to them.
That's the question I should be asking you.
Hello, we are what asking. Yeah, what do you mean? Yeah, allow. I always see. We move no qua. Don't kill it.
Talk.
Mima, Bama.
Maybe I say network no good.
But mom,
Connection is bad.
Baba, you have network you wear, ma. Wàá fi kékeré network náà.
Kò náà kó àná mẹ̀lẹ̀ question ni mi àná orí ẹ̀dọ̀ wà kí àbí wà lórí ẹ̀dọ̀.
Ọ̀sẹ̀ náà gẹ́ yí bàbá gẹ́. No that small boy ẹni wú wà ẹ̀dọ̀. Ọ̀gbìgbọ̀ wà kíkí o.
Ẹ̀yàn egi ẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ́ ká gígùn yẹn gí ẹ náà mẹ́ gẹ́ yẹn yìí.
Bàbá kò gẹ́ bàbá. Ọ̀gbìgbọ̀ wà kíkí o, ọ̀gbù wà ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Ọ̀gbì yẹn kọ́ mi wà ẹ̀dọ̀ o, ọ̀gbìgbọ̀ wà kí. Ẹ wọ́n ta lọ. Wàá gbé o, ìwé ni náà ta. Èmi náà ta náà. Ige etí fọ̀gù wà.
Imagine yẹn water network ẹ̀ máa yìí.
Ipa KRS dọ́mọ sà.
Èmi ẹ̀ náà yẹ wọ́n tún ní ẹ̀kọ́sí network ẹ̀ máa kàyà tọ́jú sí ní. Àbí ìwé ti wẹ̀ ló àbí láìka wẹ̀ ló.